Hi, I'm Ty Crowder with Total Finishing Solutions. Today we're going to review the operation of the ultrasonic cleaning system. This system is a way to solvent-free clean all of your guns, removes powder coating, urethanes, lacquers, conversion varnishes, any kind of coating, including polyester that you can think of. What we've got here today is a gun here from our local customer's shop. Pretty typical. Paint, wrenches, everything's covered in your normal everyday goo. The equipment that you'll need are safety glasses, some kind of gloves because this is hot, and a parts cleaning brush. You want to take the gun, disassemble it as much as possible. The more you disassemble it, the better it will clean. If you have small, tiny parts that will fall through the basket, you can use a simple nylon strainer bag to clean them. This is good for people with flatline finishing systems. You can clean your tips and ear caps at lunch or at the end of every shift, so you start out with new equipment every day. We use a proprietary chemical called ultrasonic fluid. It lasts for up to 2 years. You don't have to change anything out on it. As the residue in the tank builds up from the removed paint waste, you just take a simple nylon strainer bag and strain and replace the fluid, and you keep using it over and over. It will last a long time, although it'll turn every color of the rainbow depending on what you're cleaning. We've turned the thermostat on the machine up to 80, that's in Celsius. It is a heat-activated chemical. It will not work without heat. I would suggest running everything at that hot temperature, with the exception of air-assisted airless tips. Those have carbon steel pressed in typically into a stainless steel surround, and the hot temperature will actually cause the metal to expand at different rates, and it'll pop the center out. So if you're putting tips in, I recommend going no higher than 60 degrees Celsius. Everything else run at 80. So there's a stainless steel lid. You can see it's smoking a little bit. Just simply lower your basket right down into the fluid. We filled the fluid up to the fill line, which is about 1 inch from the top. Put our lid back on, and then we'll actuate the timer. It'll be a little noisy when I do that. If you have a very, very heavy amount of material that you need to clean off, you might run for 1 or 2 cycles, but most everything will be clean in about 15 minutes if you're doing this regularly. This will oscillate a sound frequency of various degrees through that fluid. It acts like a little jackhammer and will remove all fluid. When it's out, you'll see us just rinse it with water and a parts brush, and we'll see you after the cleaning cycle. Okay, our cycle on the system is just about done. Remove the lid. Wear gloves because it'll be hot. You can just let that drain a minute. You can set it sideways if you'd like. You can get a good zoom in shot. Everything on there is nice and loose and pretty clean. I normally just take and put it in some clean water. Just to cool it off and neutralize. You can let that sit just like that. Then you're going to just take your parts brush, run it around any of the edges, any of the fluid passages or air passages that you want. go zoom right in on that. That's completely cleaned out. You can also blow air through any tiny air passages to get any residue out. Here's a good example too. This O-ring was completely blocked up before, or air cap. Completely clean. Set these here on the white surface so you can see how clean everything has become. We'll do some before and after pictures here in the video. So that's how you do ultrasonic cleaning. If you'd like more information, you can visit our website at www.totalfinishingsolutions.com. Click on the ultrasonic page and you can order online. Thank you.